chew.
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 Show.
Chew. Chew.
Chew. Chew.
Chew.
Chew.
Chew.
Chew.
Chew.
Chew.
Chew.
Chew.
Chew. Chew.
Oops, this is wrong. Let me fix that. That's better.
FBI, open up!
Well, that's gotta leave a mark.
Cut. 5. You're supposed to add with 9, not bang on 9 and explode. Oops, sorry. I sometimes get convinced with large number blocks. Okay. Time for take 2.
Wait, why do I have this weird-looking shape?
14. What's wrong?
Nothing. It's just I came out with this weird shape.
Well, wanna add up?
Sure. I would like to. This weird shape is confusing me. There. All better. 20
Please 7
equals
27.
Hello 35. Hey 9. Would you like to add up with me 35? Sure.
Hello 44.
Hello 10. What are you up to?
Adding.
Go for yourself.
Here I go.
Sigh, I wish I had a friend. Oh, I have an idea. Hello me. 1. Are you ready?
Ready.
91
Plus 1
equals
92.
I am
92,
92
and I'm 92.
That's all. I would never be friends with a compound, ever. Oh no, not this. I have to figure myself out before she betters me. I hate compounds.
Why do I have A? Does that mean I'm a super rectangle? And did I figure myself out?
Prepare to be punished, compound. Hello there. I am 92, and I am a super rectangle. OMG, OMG, OMG. You are so cool. Also, it's nice to meet you. Nice to. Yeah, what
meet
was
you
that too? I don't. La. No. What is it? Oh, I forgot to tell you this, but Tourette syndrome. What's that? I have Tourette syndrome. Tourette syndrome is a disorder which causes me to tic sometimes. See? Oh, I feel bad for you. Also, I have a disorder too. I have OCD. which is short for obsessive compulsive disorder, and this makes me hate numbers who are not figured out yet. Also, I'm sorry that I tried to punish you when you wore a compound.
Don't worry, 91. We are not always the same. We are sometimes different. We have different looks, we have different bodies, and we all have different names. That's all that matters to all of us.
Oh, thanks 92, and I guess you're right. People can be different, but they are all the same. Also, can we be friends?
Sure.
Great. Can we punish some compound numbers now?
Oh, okay.